Flyboard Air. This innovative single-seater airplane has been brought in to replace self-balancing scooters, hoverboards, and jetpacks. The Flyboard Air looks like a vehicle of the future and makes us think about the day when people will switch from cars and public transport to flying machines. This vehicle is designed based on a conventional flyboard, which uses powerful water jets to lift a person in the air. The Flyboard Air, in turn, is equipped with jet engines that run on kerosene fuel. Fuel is fed to the engine from a backpack located on the rider's back. Therefore, the creators managed to get rid of the unnecessary pipes and cables which connect the device to the ground. In the pilot's hands, there's a control panel. According to the creators, the most difficult stage in the creation of the Flyboard Air was the development of the engine. It wasn't easy to design it to be lightweight, only around 3 kilograms, and produce more than 30 kilograms of traction and not waste too much fuel. At the moment, the device can lift a weight of 100 kilograms, developing speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour during 6 minutes of flight. The developers, however, continue to improve the vehicle, and soon the top speed will be 200 kilometers per hour. The flight capacity will increase to 30 minutes and the load capacity to 200 kilograms. Porsche 996 hoverboard. The Bell & Bell studio based in Barcelona is working on the creation of a hoverboard based on the Porsche 996. This company creates custom vehicles and furniture from unusual materials. The Porsche 996 hoverboard is a unique vehicle assembled completely by hand. A real car was used as the basis for its manufacture. Before that, the company developed static furniture and different sofas in the shape of cars. The Porsche 996 hoverboard is one of the first models to adopt the ability of the original car to move independently. The developers thought that a sofa that you could travel on, for example from the living room to the kitchen, is an incredible useful invention, and they were right. The device will go on sale in the second half of 2018. At the moment, there is no information on price, capacity, and exact dimensions. Deepflight. The name of this device speaks for itself. It was created for deep flights. That is, underwater, it's quite easy to imagine as the exterior of the device is more or less like an aeroplane. Deepflight is an individual submarine with a glazed cockpit for the pilots and passengers who enjoy the underwater scenery. The first model, the Super Falcon, is quite large, measuring 5.9 meters long, 2.7 meters wide, and 1.6 meters high. The vehicle can travel to a depth of 100 meters and is designed for passengers with a total mass of no more than 250 kilograms. Is designed in such a way that it's environmentally friendly, traveling quickly but also in absolute silence. Another model, the improved Super Falcon 3S, also descends to a depth of 100 meters, but is designed to support a total weight of up to 375 kilograms. And although this device is a true submarine, the board has a very unconventional appearance. The creators of Deepflight wanted everyone without special training to be able to use the vehicle. That's why the controls are intuitive and training is minimal. The cockpit's designed to protect the pilots and passengers from pressure. The creators claim that their device is absolutely safe and in any unforeseen situation, it automatically rises to the surface. Nissan Blade Glider. This unusual vehicle was first shown in 2013, but since then, Nissan has continued to refine it. Thus, in June 2017, the functional prototype of the Blade Glider participated in the Goodwood Festival of Speed. The car combines respect for the environment with impressive dynamic characteristics as part of the Nissan project to develop zero-emission vehicles. The name Blade Glider is not accidental, as this electric vehicle literally glides on the road as it has a silent power unit and an aerodynamic shape. The model has a fundamentally new configuration, a narrow front and wider wheels. This design gives the car optimum aerodynamic characteristics. It also ensures reliable control. The roof as an open structure, however, it's equipped with a reinforcement frame for greater safety, and the event of tipping over is worth paying attention to the high midline of the body and the hinged butterfly wing doors that makes every exit and entrance extremely impressive. As already mentioned, instead of fuel, the car uses electricity. This, however, doesn't prevent it from achieving great power. It's capable of accelerating up to 190 km per hour. In addition, the acceleration time from 0 to 100 km per hour is less than 5 seconds. Tricker. Here we have a unique three-wheeled vehicle that looks like a scooter, but has much more outstanding technical features. Each model is equipped with Tricker Tech's patented 3CV system, which allows the rider to travel without pedals and even without having to touch the ground with their feet. The movement is similar to that of some skates, since to move the Tricker, the use of pushes with one foot making an arc, then moves the other foot and so on. It's worth noting that a trip on the Tricker can replace a visit to the gym. Thanks to its unique design, the user uses almost all the muscle groups during the trip. The manufacturer produces different models of the Tricker weighing between 5 and 13 kilograms. The body is made out of durable aluminium and the brakes provide a high level of street safety. Thanks to the use of electricity as fuel, the Tricker is also environmentally friendly. The high-capacity battery allows models to travel up to 45 kilometers on a single charge. A definite advantage is the foldable design. The vehicle's not only easy and convenient to store, but can even be carried on public transport. The cost of this electrical vehicle depends on the model, varying between $220 and $1,100. Icon A5. On the screen, we have an ultralight aircraft developed by the American company Icon Aircraft. It was first introduced in 2008, but the first serial model was launched only in 2015. In short, the Icon A5 is a high-wing monoplane with carbon fiber fuselage and retractable landing gear. It should be noted the model has folding wings which can be retracted manually or using an optional electromechanical unit. Therefore, being folded, the Icon A5 is compact and can be easily transported. The aircraft is equipped with a 100 horsepower Rotax 912 IS engine. It is designed to transport 2 people. The creators wanted to simplify the handling of the aircraft as much as possible, which is why the interior of the cabin is more similar to that of the interior of a car. For added safety, the Icon A5 is equipped with an emergency parachute capable of safely landing the aircraft in events of an emergency situation without damaging the fuselage. The maximum speed that the aircraft can develop is 176 km per hour. The range of flight is 791 kilometers. The device can take off and land either on land or water.